I coded the car to react to my voice. So, and I made it so that when I say Gracie, it unlocks. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I go by the name ImKingJJ. So today will be my first vlog. So it's gonna be like a car tour / car vlog. Let's not waste no time. Let's get to it. Alright, so you see the beautiful Amanda in my background. So go here and put the car on real quick, because I already know it's a little cold outside. So, and it's fall, so I'll go to fall. Yeah. Put my passcode in. It says request sent. Pending. And successful. Here's my baby Gracie. Lights up right here. There's some light right here. Yeah. You can't really see it in the morning. This and it opens.
Two hours later.
So there goes my car right there. Look at this little catfish design that it got. Big tough. Looks better at nighttime. But yeah, so I still got these little covers because I didn't buy any covers yet. But you see my lights? Looking all sexy. I'm in both sides and then in the back too. So that's under the seat right there. And then I wanted to show y'all this. So right now it's on normal mode. It's on normal mode. I can change it to smart or custom, and then sport. And that's back to normal. And then sport again. I thought that was kind of cool. And then, so it also comes with, I don't need that right now. So you see we got the best stations. We got 92.3, 93.9, 95.5, then I got Sirius XM on there too. You know, hip hop, and then the heat. So this car doesn't have like the normal drive stick thingy thing. So we got park here, reverse, neutral, and then drive. So I think that's kind of cool too. And then I got right here, this is so I can put my phone here and then use it for like navigation and stuff. And then I'm thinking about putting this in. So this is like a, what's it say? Flexible multicolor strip light with sound sync. So the problem is I don't know where I'll put this, because I was thinking about putting it on my ceiling, but I have a sunroof, so it wouldn't really be good there. And it's also like I don't want to be behind people and they think it's the police, you know what I'm saying? So that's another reason why I can't put it in. It might be even illegal. I don't know. I need to check the laws and stuff. because I don't know. I have no idea, literally. No idea. Okay, so you control the thing here. Boom, boom. We'll turn it off because it's kind of loud for a video. Then we got the seat ventilators. We got the seat heaters here. There goes the AC little icon. That's the same thing too. So we have here. So we got phone, then Blue Link is what I used earlier in the video to start the car and just to check everything. Then radio, media, and setup. That's really all we got here. I would connect Android Auto, but I don't really like Android Auto, and I don't have Apple. I only have an iPad, so can't use that. But yeah, that's pretty much it for that. Coming back to this, I do have 2 more USBs right here, and then there's 2 cigarette lighters. I got another cigarette lighter here. So this powers this right here, and I got 2 USBs. So this is what I use for. This is usually empty, but I use this for like my ring light and stuff. So that's off right now. And then like this is like for the passenger seat if they want to charge their phone or something. And then this light right here, it tells me if my phone is charging or not. The phone charger is right here. Let me charge my phone. So let's see. So as you see, it started charging and the light turns on. So that's a pretty cool feature also. But like I said earlier, I don't know where to put this. Where should I put these sound sync lights? So if you have any suggestions, let me know. It's also push start, obviously. That's a good feature too. I don't have a key. I also have a card that starts the thing too. But I don't really use that because I usually just start the car on using my phone. So I'm gonna give you all like an outer view of my car. So let's do that. So here it is. We'll go in the front first. So don't want to show the license. So and it's kind of cool, right? I love these lights right here. And then you can see the lights from the inside that I got changing colors too. So that's pretty cool too. And then right here, it's also a cool feature right here. So there's no button. Well, technically there's a button, but all I gotta do is press right here in the middle of the little Honda icon, and the trunk opens. So I don't got nothing in here, so you can see the trunk. So man, this is my little tripod for I go to like an Airbnb and link up with the DMV crew again. So that's what I'll use that for. Bring that back down. And then the sunroof right here. I haven't used this yet, but probably will when it gets hotter outside. But who knows when that'll happen. So let me give you a little. You can see the wheels. Wheels nothing special, just the regular wheels. Also a cool feature that is actually voice activated. So what I did was I coded, since for those that don't know, I'm a software developer. I coded the car to react to my voice. So, and I made it so that when I say Gracie, it unlocks. So that's a cool feature that I added myself. So I would suggest, if you got any software developer friends, that'd be cool. A cool upgrade to any car. So it's a pretty cool car. At least I think so. And then once you're inside the car, I made it so that you can just say blank on, right? So outside is Gracie, but once you're inside, this one really isn't necessary because I can just press start. But you say the car's name and then on. So it'll be Gracie on. So that's another cool thing right here. So get you a software developer, man. Ladies, go ahead, get you a software developer. You might like it. So right here we have cruise, and then we have, I think this is driving assistance, and then this is right here is highway assistance. I actually don't really know, but it's one of those. It's either one or the other. Driveway assistance, not driveway, lane assistance and highway assistance. So that's that. And then whatever this is right here, can't remember what this is, but I don't want to use it because I can drive. So then we got the little car things right here too. So this is what I had to use for voice activation. It's like, no, I didn't. I lied. It looks cool though, right? What if I did? And we got the, you gotta have the car freshener right here. It ain't nothing like black ice. Gotta have black ice. The good thing about the voice activation is it only activates to my voice, right? So it took like a long time to perfect it, but I started with like a little Arduino type of thing, and then I was working on that for like a couple months, and then I finally perfected it so that like only touch on people in my house. So my mom, my dad, my sister. So don't try to come in my car and say Gracie, because it won't work. It won't work. The next thing I want you to do, click this video right here. I know you'll like it. In the meantime, stay blessed, stay loyal, stay royal. Yeah.
What do you want from the boy? Trying to get to my bank just like I'm Lloyd, yeah. Cause she only got time for stacks. Yeah, she only got time for stacks.